Hello YouTubers and plane lovers, here again with another video of unboxing and reviewing. And what I have here today is three different types of, or three different liveries, but this is the same airplane, which is Boeing 737-200, and this is by Aeromexico. I was searching online because I'm not really sure, and I do not know a lot of a lot of information about these liveries. I know this one here, it's an old livery, and skymarks. I'm guessing this is a new. They just came out with this airplane, or this new old livery, actually. Like I was saying, this is a Boeing 737-200, and this is by Aeromexico. And this is an airplane that's a scale 1 to 130. And this is, let me correct myself, this is actually a Boeing 737-700, not a 200. And so this is, if I'm not mistaken, this livery is from back in the 80s. Here's the wings. Here's the fuselage. And since I already have the 90s livery, I went ahead and ordered this one, which is from the 80s, and then I went ahead and ordered the new livery, which is the one that's in present day. And again, I don't know when the new livery came out. I'm guessing it was right before 2010. I'm not really sure. Which is a white and navy blue livery. And these airplanes, I got them at the same time, at the same day. This livery, like I said, it was from back in the 80s, but I guess Aeromexico did painted some airplanes this way to celebrate 80 years of service non-stop. So I think that's pretty cool. This is like a anniversary type of thing that they did with this livery. They brought it back, and which I think is very nice. It's real cool, orange and silver. I know it's been a while since I uploaded any videos, but I really don't want to buy any more airplanes just because I don't have any more space where to put them on display. And you know, I like to have all my airplanes, all my collection on display. I have a couple of models that are still in their boxes. I haven't even opened them, and that's the reason why I don't have any more videos. I have a lot of airplane models that I haven't done any review on them, and I know that I should be doing them, but sometimes I don't have time. So here's our old livery put together, looking very nice. And like I said, this is a anniversary thing that Aeromexico is doing. As you can see here in the back, I have the old, this is the first airplane that I got, and this is another Boeing 737-700, and this is as well, this is a 1 to 130 scale model, and this one is not as detailed as the one that I just opened. This one here, actually, the turbines spin, and these don't. So that's one thing that's different about it. So next we have the newest livery, and this is as well a Boeing 737-700, and it's as well 1:130 scale. And like I said, I'm not very sure when this new livery came out, but like I said, I'm guessing it was during the right before 2010. So I already have a Aeromexico with this livery, but it's a Boeing 777-200. And here's one of the wings. What I like about these wings is that on the winglet here at the end you have the logo of the Aeromexico, which is really cool. It's a very nice detail. And with this, I will have 3 different generations of the Aeromexico logo, which I think is very cool. It's the same airplane, just different livery. It's very nice. And the turbines on this model don't spin, which that kind of sucks, but still really nice model. There you go. I'm trying to make this as quick as I can so that I don't make a long video talking about the same thing over and over. So let's put our engines on. And like I said, the Skymarks is a very nice detail airplane. I really like these airplanes. You know, they're plastic, but it's still very nice. They make a really good job with their aircrafts, the way they detail them. You know, every single detail on the airplane. It's very nice. I have a collection of Gemini jets, but it's a scale 1:400, which is very nice, very detailed airplanes. And it's I've been trying to save money to actually get the 1:200 scale models, but it's still a little too much. And another thing, I don't have space to put any more airplanes in my house. I've run out of room, so I'll just have to wait. So here you have it, 3 different generations of Aeromexico. I didn't want to miss the opportunity to have these 3 different liveries, 3 different airplanes. As you can see, like I was telling you, the engines, it says 80 años, which is 80 years. Aeromexico, the Mexican flag, this very nice orange, and my nephew's calling me. He's out in the outside my room, and he's trying to get in here. So I'm just gonna try to hurry up and do this quick. We have a registration number here. Like I said, this is a Aeromexico Boeing 737-700, and this it's a SkyTeam operated. company. Sorry. So this is the airplane that I've been having this. I actually have a review on my channel with this airplane. So this is from back in the 90s. It's probably 98, I think, because the other one that I think in 1988, when they changed the airplane delivery, there was actually a thicker red stripe alongside of the aircraft. It kind of looked like the old American Airlines logo or livery, and this is the newest livery. That's what I was talking about on the winglets. We have the Aeromexico logo, which is really nice. The American flag, everything on the fuselage is very detailed. SkyTeam logo, like I said, it's operated by SkyTeam. So there you have it. 3 different generations, 3 different liveries. Very nice if you ask me. I really like this. So comment, subscribe, and till next video, you guys.